Today we have the 2023 Volkswagen Transporter Camper. This vehicle has done just under 44,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our kitchen / dining area with our chair, foldable table, sink and stove, as well as our fridge just below. Behind me is the first of our 2 double beds, making this camper 4 berth, 5 belts. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as assist. And on the right, we have voice control. On our screen, we can access Apple and Android CarPlay, smartphone integration, radio, media, and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below is our AC, and if we pan our camera around, we can get a good view of our pop top.